Deep inside the Amazon rainforest, there exists a hidden microscopic world where every leaf feels like a jungle and every drop of water becomes a storm. In this tiny world, even a single raindrop can become a deadly disaster.
Unlike the others, 𝗏𝗲𝗀 was known for helping the weak.
Among these tiny creatures lived a glowing green ant named 𝗏𝗏𝗀. But on this day, something unusual disturbed the jungle.
A tiny transparent beetle had become trapped in a deadly web.
With every second, the silk tightened even more. And then, the predator finally arrived.
But instead of running away, she chose to rescue him.
The spider was getting closer with every moment. Then suddenly, a single raindrop fell from above. In the microscopic world, it exploded like a bomb. 𝗏𝗏𝗀 used the moment to free the trapped beetle. But the danger was far from over. For creatures this small, the fall felt endless. The jungle floor was even more dangerous.
Every shadow in the jungle hid another predator.
One mistake could mean instant death.
Then the ground began to shake. The army ants had arrived.
To creatures this small, the army ants were an unstoppable force of nature.
Even exhausted and injured, 𝗏𝗏𝗀 refused to leave him behind.
Then lights began to appear in the darkness.
The flashing lights confused the deadly hunters. One old firefly recognized the tiny ant immediately.
Nature never forgets an act of kindness.
For the first time, they had a chance to escape. Hidden beneath the roots, they finally found temporary shelter. But the spider's poison was spreading quickly.
There was only one thing that could save the beetle now.
So the journey through the dangerous night began.
Deep in the darkness, another monster was waiting. One single movement could reveal their hiding place. Then the rainforest unleashed its true power. The beetle was slowly disappearing beneath the water. Then nature revealed one of its greatest survival secrets. By sunrise, the storm had finally passed. Together, the tiny rescuers fought against the flood. Together, the tiny rescuers fought against the flood.
Luma had risked everything, and now her strength was fading. But the beetle had survived.
For the first time, the jungle became peaceful again.
In the Amazon, even the smallest act of kindness is remembered.
In this world, survival depends on helping one another.
Even predators must rebuild after the storm.
Sometimes, the smallest heroes make the biggest difference.
What began as a rescue had become a friendship.
A tiny transparent beetle had become trapped in a deadly web.
The Amazon rainforest is endless, mysterious, and alive.
But even in darkness, light always survives. In the microscopic jungle, no creature survives alone.
In the microscopic jungle, no creature survives alone. In the microscopic jungle, no creature survives alone.
And deep within the rainforest, life continued through the night. Their story would live forever, hidden beneath the leaves of the Amazon.
But even in darkness, light always survives.
In the hidden microscopic world of the Amazon, even the tiniest creatures can carry the greatest courage. In the hidden microscopic world of the Amazon, even the tiniest creatures can carry the greatest courage.